so bright. So big. What the? I'm gonna change. This sleeve is like rubbing on my sunburn, which hurts. So I'll show you guys me getting ready because I have not done that at all. Like doing makeup and stuff. So yeah. Good morning, girls.
If you want to have you wet a bed, guys. Hi to my sister. And baby.
That is my hair routine. I just wrap it in a towel after scrunching it, and then when I take it off, I still scrunch it. I'm changing the bags because this matches this outfit. It's hot.
Slime ride.
Yeah, I saw that one. Their shop. We found a non-smoking billiard place, so we're playing now. Now it's me and my dad because everyone else is eating. Later it's gonna be me and my sister. Closed, but low. Oh, it's not just some shit. Yeah. Because I'm a content creator. Hey guys, so we're in this restaurant. Secret. It's our last day. Last night we were playing Singapore family, so we're gonna enjoy it and take a lot of pictures and take a film picture. So we already dropped our grandma, aunt, and cousin off at the ship Bay area to go back to Singapore by boat. And yeah, now we're back at the hotel and just, I guess, ready to sleep. Lol, of course I got a face mask first. Oh my gosh, I look like a pig. Oops, that's mean. 2 pigs. Good night.